Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Retool queries and filters after connection errors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the connection error in Retool. Navigate to the query section of your Retool app. Check for any warning messages or indicators that suggest a connection issue. Once you've located the problematic query, click on it to open the query editor. Review the settings and parameters of the query carefully. Check your database connection to ensure it's active and working. If the connection is down, troubleshoot the database or resource directly. Next, verify if any filters are applied to your query. If filters are missing or incorrect due to the connection error, make a note of the intended logic. Once you've identified the changes needed, reconstruct the filters. Reapply the filters to your query as intended. After restoring the filters, run the query again to test its functionality. Confirm that the data returned is as expected and matches the original criteria. If the query runs successfully, save your changes in Retool. If issues persist, consider using the test and preview features to debug further. Continue to monitor your app for any recurring connection errors. Once everything is functioning smoothly, document any steps taken for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.